The Fitcamx 4K dash cam seamlessly integrates with the design of Volkswagen Tiguan models from 2018 to 2024, offering an original equipment manufacturer look without cluttering the windshield. This dashcam delivers impressive ultra-high-definition video quality with its large aperture lens and premium sensor, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. With built-in Wi-Fi and a user-friendly app, users can easily preview, download, and share their driving footage directly from their smartphones. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by overwriting old footage, while the included 64GB card guarantees ample storage capacity. Equipped with a parking sensor and G-sensor, it reliably detects collisions and safeguards critical video clips from being erased. Constructed from durable materials, the Fitcamx dashcam is built to withstand extreme temperatures, providing reliable performance in various weather conditions.